welcome back to my channel. I'm back passionate. Welcome for this new video. And what a video, I'm so happy. It's not an unboxing, it's a return. And of course, if you follow my channel, you know what I'm talking about. It is the return of my Pliage Galop. Yes, guys, it was repaired and I got it back. Look at this cutie. I really missed it. For those who haven't followed the story, don't worry guys, in the information section, you will have the different video concerning what happened to this bag. And I have to say, I am super happy. Just brief history. It took 8 weeks to be repaired because it was sent to the Longchamp repair service. And 8 weeks, yes, maybe it's long, but for me, finally it's okay. I miss this bag. I miss this bag, and of course, I would have dreamed it was more faster. But between those 8 weeks, we also have, Christmas period and so on. So yes, I'm quite happy. I got it back and I paid nothing because yes, they clearly stated that it was a problem from the bag and not from my use of it. And I'm super happy because I bought it in August, but I use it really later in the year. So, and I take good care of my bag, so I'm super satisfied to have paid nothing, I have to be honest, because I was so sad what happened. I repeat, it's the very first time I've got a problem with the pliage. So yes, happy to have it back. Just one thing, because I love to be fully honest with you guys. I will try to make detailed pic to show you. Even if I am super satisfied with the repair, I have to say I am a bit concerned for the future of this bag. Let me explain. If you see carefully on this, where the stitches is on both ears, I have remarked that the ear, which was repaired, there is only one line stitch, whereas the other one, which was perfect, there's 2 lines, so it is more secured. I mean, they repaired it, but it's not as well repaired as it was manufactured. I hope I'm clear. So I will use my bag, but I will really keep in mind to have a look every time I use it and see if everything is still okay. So I will enjoy my bag, but since there's a difference concerning the stitching, I will take more good care of it, and I think I will only use it not for every day, but on the evening, because I do think it's a super evening bag due to the color, but I seriously think I won't use it for the day. I'm so afraid that the repair did not last long. I know I can bring it back again to Longchamp for repair, but I am afraid, the material, you cannot stitch all the time. At one point they will need to cut the fabric, and this I don't want. So I love this bag. I have things to do, so I know I will use it in the evening and but just to be fully honest with you, I don't think I will use this bag all day long like I used to do. But I am super happy to have it back because it's really gorgeous. So guys, this is a really tiny video, but I wanted to share with you my happiness. It's super cute. Write me in the comment section if you got this bag and yes, how you use it, what's your feeling about it. I do repeat, for me it's really a nice bag. Unfortunately, mine got a problem, but now it's okay. And yes, tell me everything. Thanks guys for watching. We see us in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.